The first step is to log into Authentisign. Once you're on Authentisign, you're going to click the hamburger menu on the top right of the page and then click on Layouts. You can also go to this layout section by copying the URL that I will have pasted in the description of this video. So once you're on the layout section, what we're going to click on is Add. Once you click on Add, let's start off by naming it. We're going to call this one Condo Lease. Once you're done naming it, all you do is hit Save. Now that we're in the condo lease layout, we're going to select a document. And in the description of the video, you'll find the document called Lease Agreement Fast Offers. This is just a blank lease agreement that you would get from Fast Offers. Alright, so now we're going to click on Tools. And then we're going to find Tenant 1 to be our first person who's the signer. So once you've located Tenant 1, all you're going to do is drag the initial onto the first page where it says Initial of Tenants. And now you do the exact same thing as if you were to send an offer to your client. So everywhere that requires a tenant's initial or signature, you place it under the Tenant 1 name. So you do this for the entire agreement. Every single place that requires an initial, a signature, or a date from the tenant, you're going to go ahead and populate it. If you follow the video, you'll see every single spot that needs to be filled out. The last signature required for the tenant is on the Ontario Standard Lease Agreement. The one thing that's different for this one is that the date should be formatted different. So we're just going to click on the date format and select YYYMMDD like they want on the Ontario Standard Lease. And that's it. Now you're done fully for the entire tenant section. So what's next? Now we got to do the same for you, the cooperating broker. So you're going to go onto the signing tool section and find the cooperating broker 1. So once you've selected that, you're going to do the exact same thing. Take the signature, drag it onto the agreement everywhere that you as the cooperating broker would have to sign. Sometimes there's dates that don't need to be there. All you click is on the little trash can icon to get rid of those. But basically, you're doing the exact same thing that you just did for tenant, but this time you're doing it for yourself, the cooperating broker. So continue the entire agreement and putting the initials and signatures exactly where they're supposed to go. Once you're done, I would highly suggest looking over the entire document to make sure all of the initials and signatures are exactly where they're supposed to be. Once you're satisfied, on the top right of the page, all you do is click on the little save button, and that's it. Now you've successfully created a layout for a condo lease agreement from Fast Offers. Every single time you now upload Fast Offer agreement Authentisign, you can apply this layout and all of the signatures and initials will be pre-populated exactly where you just set them.